Hello. Yes, I'm in here. Actually, here. Hello, guys. How you doing? So today we're going to review the 19 centimeters or 35 inches softbox by NiceFoto. Yeah, this one right here, if I can get out. Okay, I'll see you soon. Guys, let me out. Help! Anyone? Nope. I mean, how big is this thing? Today we're reviewing and talking about the NiceFoto 90 centimeters or 35 inches diameter softbox. This is a professional softbox for studio lights or LED lights that come with Bowens mount. Also, it comes with 2 layers of diffusion. This could be a very good option alternative to the Aputure Light Dome II. I heard good things about the Dome II, but also I heard it's very expensive. The Aputure Light Dome II comes at £256 on Amazon. This one comes at £105, and you can find the link in the description tab. I've been using the NiceFoto softbox for my latest videos, so you can go and check it out how it works, but we're also gonna test it out together in these reviews so you can actually understand how well it works. I've been matching it with the Godox lights ML60 and VL150, which I reviewed as well. Wow, how lucky you are. You can check the videos here or in the description again. What's in the box when you purchase the NiceFoto 90 centimeters? You have a nice case. Right here, a carrying bag. Of course, you get the umbrella. You have 2 layers of diffusion. This is the internal one, which is the smaller one. And then we have the bigger one, which is the external layer of diffusion. There you go. And also it comes with a grid, a soft grid. I can go and fish with this stuff. Wouldn't work. Well, let's talk about the dimensions because they count. And of course, we have 90 centimeters of diameter, which correspond to 35 inches. The depth is 60 centimeters or 23 inches. The folding length, 76 centimeters equal 30 inches. The package size, which is the carrying bag, is 80 centimeters by 20 by 20. It's a cylindric shape. I can also put some of the stands in here. Usually I travel and I've got the softbox, all the layers of diffusion, the grid, and I can fit also 2 of the light stands. So quite a good bag actually to carry around the gear. The package weight with everything I mentioned is around 2 kilos and 92 grams. Let's talk about the build. The material is reflective material with 16 poles, which are made of metal, which I refer to these poles, okay? That can actually keep the softbox in shape, as a round shape. And let's talk about the mechanism here, how it works. Each pole is connected to a button on the top or the bottom of the softbox. So to open up the softbox, you simply want to drag and pull the arms, the metal arms, and they lock into place automatically. It's very easy and very quick. To fold the softbox instead, you just want to pull up the arm and push the relative button on the top, and that's it. You're going to unlock the mechanism and fold your softbox. It's very quick and easy to put up or fold down. On the side of the softbox, you will find some openings with the Velcro, so you can access the inside of the softbox when you have the diffusion layers on, but also to help you out in opening it up or folding the softbox. We mentioned at the beginning of the review that you can fit this softbox on each light that comes with a standard Bowens mount. And that's what we have right here. So I have something to say here. This is actually the only downside I found on this piece of gear, which is actually the mount. I mean, the mount is solid on the light, but the Bowens mount here actually spins around like that. You have a knob to lock this spinning thing, but even when you tighten it up to the maximum and you put this stuff on the light, sometimes it keeps spinning. So it's quite tricky to take the softbox off the light sometimes because it keeps spinning. So that's the only cons of this thing I found so far. Now, to make you understand a bit better if this is the softbox for you, let's gonna test it out together. And I'm gonna use the softbox without any layers of diffusion first, so just with the reflecting material here. Then we're gonna put one layer of diffusion, 2 layers, and 2 layers with the soft grid as well. To test it out, we're gonna put it on the Godox VL150. I'm gonna place it right here on my right hand side, turning off this light here, the ML60, so you can actually see how the light works. Here we go, first shot. This is the light with just the umbrella, not layers of diffusion on. So a lot of light reflecting, a big shadow over there because the light is hitting the edges of the umbrella, so not a great shot. The exposure is actually set for when I have 2 layers of diffusion and the soft grid. That's what I use when I do my YouTube videos. So this is not actually overexposed, it's just a bad light. So I wouldn't use direct light without any layers of diffusion. I might reduce the power of the light to give you an idea. So this is now 50% of the power, and I'm gonna go down to, this is 10%, so it's a very good light, by the way. Okay, much better in terms of my face and shadows, but still there's this shadow on the wall, which is not great. And the light is directed because of the umbrella, the edges of the umbrella. Let's take the second shot with the first layer of diffusion, which is the internal one. And here I am, the first layer of diffusion, the internal one. You might notice there's not big shadows over there anymore, not sharp shadows. Shot number 3, 2 layers of diffusion, and the power of the light is still at 50%, so it's starting to make sense, right? Looking good. Not big shadows on the wall over there. The light is properly diffused, still a bit too wide for what I like. So there's too much light in the background and I want to separate the background from me, from the subject. Here I am, shot number 4, 2 layers of diffusion plus soft grid. Looking good, that's what I want. The background is a bit darker because the light is more directed by the soft grid. Light is still at 50% and that's what I use for my YouTube channel usually. Like this style. This is the best way to separate the subject from the background. Still, you can see a bit of light on this side of the wall because the soft grid is directing the light this way, and I still need to find a way to actually direct the light better so the background light would be even. You can check the difference of the 3 shots we've just taken in this sequence. I hope this review helped you to understand if this is the softbox for you. It's definitely the one I need for my videos so far. And in my opinion, it works actually very well, especially when I'm doing YouTube videos in studio. The light is nicely diffused, not hard shapes or shadows on my face. So I really like it, I'm very happy with it. I haven't tried the Aputure Light Dome II, but I'm happy with it. So there's no reason for me to upgrade or just spend more money in a different one. I thank you for watching and I invite you to subscribe to my channel for more camera gear reviews, content creation in general, tutorials and tips about video making and video editing. Also, go and check my online courses and join the other hundreds of students that enroll to those courses. I hope to see you in the next video, whatever it might be. God bless you. Thanks again. Take care.
Seems all good times come and go your way. Child memories fall under rolling.